Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 21 from chapter Solid. So starting with question number 8. Three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid to that of the sum of the total surface areas of the three cubes. Three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Three equal cubes है, that is their sides, areas, volumes, everything is equal. Okay, so एक बार side equal होगा तो total surface area, volume, everything will be equal, right? So three equal cubes है. Assume that the three cubes I have drawn are equal. ठीक है, तीनों cubes equal है. That is their sides are equal. Okay. Automatically volumes and surface areas भी equal होगा. These three cubes are placed adjacently in a row. So adjacently means neighboring. Okay, एक के बाजू में एक. So just how I have placed over here. Okay, so assume that these three are cubes. ठीक है, assume करो कि ये एक cube है, although it is not a perfect shape of cube, it is like a cuboid. Assume cube है, ये भी cube है, ये भी cube है. ठीक है, three cubes are placed adjacently in a row. ठीक है, so one after the other, three cubes ऐसे place किया हुआ है. Okay, in a row. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid to that of the sum of the total surface areas of the three cubes. You have to find out the ratio, something upon something. Okay, so ratio means something upon something. Ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. ये तीनों को join करके, तीनों को ऐसे place करके, the shape that is formed is nothing but a cuboid. Right? एक cuboid ही हो रहा है. अज्यूम मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे गम लगा के स्टिक कर दिया है दोनों बॉक्सेस को, एंड यहाँ पे भी गम लगा के ऐसे. सो ऑल थ्री बॉक्सेस आर स्टक टू ईच अदर. ओके, सो दिस शेप दैट इज फॉर्म्ड इज नथिंग बट अ क्यूबॉइड. ऑलराइट, सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म्ड, ओके, to that of the sum of the total surface areas of the three cubes. So you have to consider the total surface area of each cube and add the surface area of all the three cubes. That is the sum of the total surface area of all the three cubes. So total surface area of the three cubes. I'll repeat. Three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. ऐसे place किया गया है three cubes in a row. ठीक है, adjacently means one after the other. Okay, touching each other like this. ठीक है. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. You have to find ratio means something upon something. Ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. So numerator में total surface area of the cuboid to that of the sum of the total surface area of the three cubes. So three cubes का area separately find करके add up करना है. So total surface area of the three cubes. I know all the three cubes are equal, so their total surface areas will also be equal, right? What is the total surface area of cube? 6a square, right? 6 faces है, each face has area a square, so 6a square. So 6a square plus 6a square plus 6a square, that will give 18a square. So ये मैं easily find out कर सकती हूँ. Total surface area of the three cubes is nothing but 6a square plus 6a square plus 6a square, that is 18a square, right? This is 18a square. What about this total surface area of the cuboid? Now पे अटेंशन, यहाँ पे जो क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म हो रहा है, ओके, You will say that I will consider the area of all the three cubes again, right? पूरा total surface area consider होगा, नहीं होगा. Why? This face, the face, this side face, okay, you are placing it joint with the face of the other box, right? इसका ये वाला face and इसका ये वाला face, you are placing it together like this. Same way, ये second box and third box, this face and this face, they are touching. So these two faces are touching each other. Same way these two faces are touching each other. ठीक है? So what is happening? ये face is hidden है अंदर में. Alright, and when you consider the surface area, you consider all the visible areas. Okay, you consider the area of all the visible portion. So ये फेस, इसका एक फेस हाइड हो रहा है, ये जो लेफ्ट वाला बॉक्स है इसका एक फेस हाइड हो रहा है. ओके, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ वन फेस? ए स्क्वायर, राइट? फॉर अ क्यूब एक फेस स्क्वायर होता है, इट इज ए स्क्वायर, राइट? फॉर अ क्यूब, ये क्यूब का एक फेस कंसिडर करूं मैं, इट इज अ स्क्वायर एंड एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज ए स्क्वायर होगा. साइड ए कंसिडर किया तो एरिया विल बी ए स्क्वायर, राइट? सो एक फेस ए स्क्वायर होगा. सेम वे यहां इसका, ये राइट वाले बॉक्स का एक फेस हाइड हो रहा है, लेफ्ट का एक फेस, राइट का एक फेस, तो इसका एक फेस, इसका एक फेस, ए स्क्वायर, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. मिडिल वाला जो बॉक्स है इसका दो फेसेस हाइड हो रहा है, वन इज लेफ्ट, अनदर वन इज राइट, है ना? सो एक फेस इसके साथ ज्वाइन हो रहा है, एक फेस इसके साथ ज्वाइन हो रहा है. So two faces of the middle box are hidden, that is a square plus a square. So two faces are hidden, right? A square, a square. So left वाले बॉक्स का एक फेस हिडन है, राइट वाले बॉक्स का एक फेस हिडन है, एंड मिडिल बॉक्स का दो फेसेस हिडन है, right? So those areas you are not going to consider, all right? So those areas you will subtract from the total surface area of the three cubes. What is the total surface area of the three cubes? We just found 18a square, right? 6a square, 6a square, 6a square. But you are not going to consider the total surface area. Why? Because ये face and ये face hidden है. Same way ये face and ये face hidden है. So 4 faces are hidden. That is 4a square you need to subtract. So for the total surface area of the cuboid, you will consider the total surface area of the three cubes minus the 4 areas which are hidden. That is the 4 surfaces which are hidden, which is 4a square. That is nothing but 14a square. करेक्ट? दूसरे मेथड से देखते हैं. ओके, अगर ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है, एक और मेथड से देखते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एज 14a square. ऑल राइट? सो 14a square by 18a square, a square कैंसिल हो गया, 2 7s are 2 9s are, so the ratio is 7/9. ऑल राइट? एक और वे से समझते हैं इसको. When you have joined this, ऑल राइट, तो क्यूबॉइड जो फॉर्म हुआ है उसका एरिया अब कैलकुलेट करते हैं. आई नो ईच फेस इज ए स्क्वायर, राइट? ईच फेस इज ए स्क्वायर. सो फ्रंट में ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, 3a स्क्वायर होगा. इफ आई प्लेस इट लाइक दिस, ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, 3a स्क्वायर. सेम वे टॉप में ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, 3a स्क्वायर. बॉटम में भी ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर, 3a स्क्वायर. सो टॉप ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड 3a स्क्वायर, बॉटम ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड एरिया क्या होगा? 3a स्क्वायर. फ्रंट 3a स्क्वायर, बैक अगेन 3a स्क्वायर. जैसे यहां पे a स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर है, पीछे का भी फेस सेम a स्क्वायर होगा, राइट? सो बैक ऑल्सो 3a स्क्वायर, 1a स्क्वायर, अनदर a स्क्वायर. साइड का फेसेस भी कंसिडर करेंगे, टॉप, बॉटम, फ्रंट, बैक, ये चारों तो हो गया. साइड का फेसेस, लेफ्ट साइड a square, right side a square. So left and right मिला के it will be 2a square plus a square. Add up all these. 3a square plus 3a square plus 3a square plus 3a square, that is 12a square plus 2a square, which is 14a square. All right, that is another way of solving. So I'll be using this method. Okay, total surface area of the 3 cubes minus the 4 faces which are hidden. All right, so that again gives me 14a square. All right, so let us solve now with proper steps. Let the side or edge of each cube be a unit. We don't know whether the unit here is centimeter, millimeter, meter, we don't know. Okay, and we don't even know the length. Okay, so students, the ratio that we are deriving over here is generally applicable for any 3 cubes which are placed adjacent to each other. जरूरी नहीं है कि ये 3 क्यूब्स स्मॉल ही हो या ये 3 क्यूब्स बड़े ही हो. Any size 3 cubes which are equal, that is their sides are equal, total surface area is equal, volume is equal. 3 cubes if they are placed adjacent to each other, then the total surface area of the cuboid formed to the total surface area of the 3 cubes, the ratio will be 7:9, which we found. Okay, so ये general ratio हम लोग find out कर रहे हैं. It is not dependent on the unit, it is not dependent on the length. ठीक है, so side of each cube is a unit, so total surface area of each cube क्या होगा? 6a square. Total surface area of each cube is 6a square. Square units. Correct. Total surface area of 3 such cubes will be 3 into 6a square. That is 18a square. Square units. Now these 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. So जो statement यहाँ पे दिया है वो ही वापस से लिखो. The 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row such that it is forming a cuboid. Cuboid form हो रहा है. There is some length, there is some height, there is some breadth. Okay, so length, breadth, height तीनों जब different होता है, okay, that is all 3 are not equal to each other. Basically all 3 are not equal. When they are equal it is a cube. When all 3 are not equal to each other, then it is a cuboid. So the 3 equal cubes are placed adjacent such that it is forming a cuboid. Now the total surface area of this cuboid क्या होगा? Total surface area of each cube, ये तीनों cubes का total surface area minus the faces which are hidden. Okay, minus the area of the faces which are hidden. So total surface area of 3 cubes. What is the total surface area of 3 cubes? ये इसका 6a square, इसका 6a square, इसका 6a square, that is 18a square, right, which we just found. But when I combine the 3 to when I place like this, then left का एक face hidden है, right का एक face hidden है, and middle का 2 faces hidden है. So basically 4 faces are hidden. Each face has area a square, so 4a square you will subtract. All right, so total surface area of 3 cubes minus area of the 4 faces. All right, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Right, suppose that I have applied gum over here, इसको stick कर दिया, यहाँ पे भी gum apply किया, इसको stick कर दिया. Now I am painting this. then will I be painting this part? No, right? So basically assume that you are going to paint this, then ये जो areas paint नहीं होने वाला है वो area तो minus करना ही पड़ेगा मुझको, right? So you're not going to consider those areas. That is the reason you don't consider those areas. You consider only the visible areas when you're considering the surface area. So these areas are not visible when you're placing them like this. So you will not consider that. Alright. So minus area of the four faces, that is 18a square minus 4a square, that is 14a square, square units. Now we need to find out the ratio. So total surface area of the cuboid formed upon total surface area of the three cubes. Cuboid is 14a square. Total surface area of the three cubes 18a square. Units नहीं लिखते हैं. When you are taking ratio, you take the ratio of numbers only, not the units. Okay. So 14a square by 18a square, a square cancel हो जाएगा. 2 sevens are 2 nines are 7 by 9. Okay. Box कर दो. Write down a statement after this. Add a statement. The ratio of the total surface area of the cuboid to the sum of the areas of the three cubes is equal to 7:9. पूरा statement लिख लो जो यहाँ पे दिया है. ओके. फाइंड छोड़ के जो भी ये statement दिया है लिख के equal to 7:9. All right. So this is the answer. Now students, यहाँ पे मैंने sum of the total surface area of the three cubes. So total surface area, sum of the total surface area. यहाँ पे add कर दो sum of. Okay. यहाँ पे भी total surface area of this is okay. यहाँ पे sum of the total surface area of the three cubes. Okay. So make sure that you don't make any mistake. Next question, question number 9. The cost of papering the four walls of a room at 75 paise per square meter is rupees 240. The height of the room is 5 meter. Find the length and the breadth of the room if they are in the ratio 5:3. So there is a room in the shape of a cuboid. Because the height of the room is given, we need to find out the length and the breadth of the room. So length, breadth, height. Cuboid हो गया. So the room is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay. This is the length. Okay. Length of the room. ये breadth of the room हो गया. And this is the height. ये height हो गया, right? Height is given, it is 5 meter, right? Length and breadth we need to find out. Find the length and the breadth of the room if they are in the ratio 5:3. So length is to breadth is 5:3. Length is the longer side, so L corresponds to 5 and B corresponds to 3. Alright, so L is to B is 5:3, that is L upon B is 5/3. Ratio दिया है, it means some common number has been cancelled out. Let's say that this common number or common factor is X. Okay, X is cancelled out. So length is 5x and breadth is 3x. Height दिया है, it is 5 meter. So ये सब मीटर में होगा. Okay. Length and breadth will be in meter. Now, very easy students. The cost of papering the four walls of the room at 75 paise per square meter is rupees 240. Four walls are papered. Okay, wallpaper is applied on the four walls of the room. Ceiling and floor नहीं होगा, exclude होगा, right? So ceiling and floor का areas नहीं include करना है, only the area of the four walls. Okay, so if I consider this, okay, let's say this is the room, ठीक है, then ये फोर वॉल्स को ही पेंट करना है, सॉरी पेंट नहीं करना है, पेपर करना है, वॉलपेपर अप्लाई करना है, ठीक है। सो जो फ्लोरिंग है, जो सीलिंग है, उसका एरिया नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे, ओनली द एरिया ऑफ द फोर वॉल्स। व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द फोर वॉल्स कॉल्ड? लैटरल सरफेस एरिया। सो ये लैटरल सरफेस एरिया को कवर करना है विथ पेपर, विथ वॉलपेपर। So lateral surface area of the room. What is the formula for lateral surface area? It is twice length plus breadth into height, or twice h into L plus B. h पहले लिखो या बाद में लिखो एक ही बात है, you are just going to multiply that, right? So twice h L plus B. This is the formula for lateral surface area, area of the four walls. Why? Because ये फ्लोर का एरिया नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे। फ्लोर का एरिया क्या होगा? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, ये भी लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ। ओके, ऑपोजिट फेसेस का एरिया सेम होता है, तो वो कंसिडर करना नहीं है, ओनली फोर वॉल्स का एरिया। तो ये एक वॉल का एरिया क्या होगा? अगर मैं ये एक वॉल कंसिडर करूं, दिस वॉल, सो फ्रंट वॉल, ओके, ये फ्रंट वॉल अगर मैं कंसिडर करूं, चार वॉल्स है, वन वॉल, इसका ऑपोजिट वॉल का भी एरिया सेम होगा, राइट? सो ये वॉल का एरिया क्या होगा? दिस इज लेंथ, दिस इज हाइट, राइट? दिस इज लेंथ, दिस इज हाइट, सो एरिया विल बी LH। सेम वे उसके ऑपोजिट वॉल, फ्रंट वॉल बैक वॉल, दोनों का एरिया क्या होगा? एड अप करके ट्वाइस LH, राइट? सो दैट इज वाई ट्वाइस LH, ये मैंने कॉमन लेके फॉर्मूला लिखा है, ट्वाइस LH होगा। सेम वे साइड वॉल्स का एरिया क्या होगा? इट विल बी B इंटू H, ये साइड वॉल का एरिया, इट इज नथिंग बट B इंटू H, दिस, राइट? इसके ऑपोजिट वाला B इंटू H, दैट इज ट्वाइस BH। Students, we have done this in introduction part, so please make sure you're clear with the basics. If in case you're not, please refer to the link in description. Okay, so twice LH plus twice BH, 2H common ले लिया, so 2H common लेके L plus B मिलेगा, ठीक है? So lateral surface area of the room we know. The cost of papering the four walls of the room at 75 paise per square meter is rupees 240. That is the cost of papering the four walls is already given, it is 240. Cost of papering four walls, rupees 240. And cost per square meter is also given, it is 75 paise. So cost of papering per square meter is 75 paise. 75 paise is nothing but 0.75 rupees, right? 100 paise make 1 rupee, 100 paise make 1 rupee. So 75 paise कितना होगा? 0.75 rupees होगा, ठीक है? बहुत इजी है, यूनिटरी मेथड यूज करो। 100 पैसे मेक 1 रुपी, तो 75 पैसे मेक हाउ मच रुपीज? ऑलराइट, सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट द आंसर, इट इज नथिंग बट 75 बाय 100, दैट इज 0.75। ऑलराइट, सो 0.75 रुपीज। बहुत ईजी है स्टूडेंट्स। पर स्क्वायर मीटर का कॉस्ट दिया है, टोटल एरिया का भी कॉस्ट दिया है। Okay, cost of papering four walls, that is cost of papering the lateral surface area of the room is 240. So basically cost per square meter into the area will give me the cost of the 4 walls, right? 1 स्क्वायर मीटर वॉल को पेपर लगाने के लिए जो कॉस्ट लगेगा, ओके, ऐसे 4 वॉल्स में पूरा पेपर लगेगा. सो 4 वॉल्स का एरिया इज दिस. So the costing into the area will give me the total cost. Costing per meter square into the area will give me the total cost. Costing per square meter कितना है? 0.75. Area is twice HL plus B. Twice H L plus B and total cost 240. I repeat, costing per square meter. 1 स्क्वायर मीटर पे वॉलपेपर लगाने का कॉस्ट 75 पैसे, right? Such wallpaper is to be applied to all the 4 walls. That is the total area of the 4 walls. Total area of the 4 walls is twice H L plus B. So costing per square meter into the total area is equal to the total cost. I know the costing per square meter. I know the total cost. Area में let's see what all information we have. We know H is 5, right? Height is 5 meter. Length and breadth भी पता है. Length is 5x, breadth is 3x. So put the values. 5x plus 3x is equal to 240. So that is nothing but 10 into 0.75. 10 into 0.75 is nothing but 7.5. So this is 8x. यहाँ पे 7.5. You just need to solve this and find out the value of x. Once you get the value of x, just put it over here and you will get length and breadth ka values. Okay, so very easy. For a cuboid shaped room, we are given the ratio of length and breadth. The length and breadth of the room are in the ratio 5:3, that is 5/3. Let the common factor be x. Therefore, length is 5x meter and breadth is 3x meter. मीटर में होगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे हाइट भी मीटर में दिया है, कॉस्टिंग भी पर स्क्वायर मीटर में दिया है. ओके, सो लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ यू विल गेट इन मीटर्स. सो height is also given, it is 5 meter. Now the cost of papering the 4 walls of a room at 75 paise per square meter is rupees 240. So 4 walls consider करना है, so that is lateral surface area consider करना है. So write down lateral surface area of the room is twice H L plus B. Put the values 2 into 5 into 5x plus 3x, that is 10 into 8x, that is 80x है. Okay, so it will be easier अगर पहले solve करके रखा है. Alright, तो 80x square meter होगा. Now costing per square meter. Cost of papering per square meter is 0.75 rupees. Okay, that is 75 पैसे. यूनिट मत भूलो स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, रुपी का यूनिट है, सिंबल है, ये सब मत भूलो. Square meter, meter. So don't forget the units and symbols. Very important. So cost of papering is 0.75 rupees. Cost of papering the 4 walls is rupees 240. Cost of papering the 4 walls is nothing but cost of papering per square meter into the area of the 4 walls, that is lateral surface area. So write down cost of papering the 4 walls is equal to cost of papering per square meter into the area of the 4 walls, that is the lateral surface area. Now put the values. Cost of papering is 240. Cost of papering per square meter 0.75. The lateral surface area is 80x. So 240, shifting the numbers on the other side, 0.75 will go in denominator, 80 as well will go in denominator, x रह जाएगा, 8 3s are 24. Decimal point हटाते हैं. Okay, so after decimal point there are 2 digits, so you need to multiply by 100. Okay, जितने digits होंगे उतने zeros, so 2 digits, that is why 100. 3 digits होता तो 1000. So multiplying by 100 in both numerator and denominator, you will get 300 by 75. 75 4s are 300. That is 4 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 4. We found the common factor. Now let us find out the length and breadth. So length is equal to 5x, which is 5 into 4, 20 meter. Breadth is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 4, which is 12 meter. Box the answers. X का value भी एक बार box कर दो. Okay, so we found the values of length and breadth, 20 meter and 12 meter. Final statement add कर दो. The length and breadth of the room are 20 meter and 12 meter respectively. Alright, don't forget the final statement, don't forget the units. Okay, यहाँ पे भी rupees का symbol मत भूलना students. Alright.